Good morning, wherever you are. I just woke up and there is no overnight oats in my fridge left. So I'm going to have to just eat oats for breakfast. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make three in my case, but in 5 minutes, you can have breakfasts all set up and ready and put in the fridge for you for the work week. And have them out each morning, add 6 ounces of fruit, and done is done, right? Let's do it. For making overnight oats, what I do is I prepare oats, chia seeds, walnuts, raw walnuts, and a plant-based milk of choice. And today I have chickpea milk that has 10 grams of protein per cup. First, we're going to take a quarter cup of oats, quarter cup, into the jar. That's that. Then we're going to have 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. And we're going to measure 1 tablespoon chia. And the next thing I do, oh yes, I forgot one thing. I usually put some vegan yogurt in as well. All right, I'm back. I was looking for this guy. It's the coconut yogurt that I use. I also use quarter cup of that. It was hiding in the fridge. All right, where was I? So we put oats in it, chia seeds in it. And now we're going to measure half a cup, 4 ounces, right? It goes in. And swirl it around because chia. Okay. We're going to do the same for the other two. And we're just a tiny bit short. So I'm going to go get soy milk. This is the next one. And this is the one I usually use, which is 8 grams of protein per cup. Okay. And I'm just going to top up whatever's missing here from half a cup. Next thing is walnuts. We're measuring half an ounce. Okay, half an ounce for this guy, half an ounce for this guy. I had milk on it, a drop of milk, so in half an ounce in this guy. All right, turn this off, put them aside so I can wash it. What I usually do is I crumble the nuts into here, the ones that are in big pieces. This is the most time-consuming part of making overnight oats. Once the walnuts are in, and I'm putting walnuts in, if you like almonds or pistachios, you can do that, but walnuts are my go-to nut. Hazelnuts too, they're not nice and yummy, but the important thing is for the nuts to be raw. We don't want them roasted because what happens is with roasted nuts, the body absorbs more calories from the nut you eat. And the next thing we're going to do is add quarter cup of yogurt into each one of them. There you go. Again, we're going to stir it. And I forgot to mention, these mason jars are 250 milliliters, 1 cup mason jars. So it all fits in them, okay? Next thing I do, I take a piece of paper towel and I wipe the edges. And now we're going to close them. I'm going to close them. I used to put day names on these, so that was Friday, Thursday, and whatever. This one didn't have a name. There. So now these 3 things are going into the fridge, and for next 3 days I have breakfast. And how long did that take me? Probably 7 minutes or so. If I had everything ready, it would have been less than 5. So, and I'm talking slowly and doing things slowly so I can do it on video for you. So 5 minutes in the morning, one day can have you 3 breakfasts. And basically what I do with this, I empty it into a bowl, and then I add 6 ounces of fruit. And that's my breakfast. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.